Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. There is no man living that cannot do more than he thinks he can. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. The short successes that can be gained in a brief time and without difficulty are not worth much. Greatest thing we can produce is character. Everything else can be taken from us, but not our character. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. The unhappiest man on earth is the one who has nothing to do